Here's a confession. My custom GPT gets 10 times more use than default ChatGPT, not because I'm a prompt genius. I promise I'm not. I once had ChatGPT proofread a text about ChatGPT. It's because I stopped building robots and started hiring employees. Let me show you the difference. Here's what usually happens. You hear about custom GPTs. A GPT is just ChatGPT that you can train for one specific job by giving it instructions and files. Sounds great. You spend an hour writing instructions, try it, and it answers exactly like regular ChatGPT. So you never open it again. I built more than 30 custom GPTs, only 4 survived. That's a 90% failure rate, which means the problem isn't the tool. It's how we build them. Default ChatGPT is a generalist. Ask it anything, get an okay answer. A custom GPT should be a specialist. Think of it this way. Default ChatGPT is the friend who knows a bit of everything. Your custom GPT is the coworker who only talks about spreadsheets. For this job, you want the spreadsheet guy. Rule 1. Write it like a job description. Don't tell it what to be, tell it what to do. I run a YouTube channel, so my most used GPT is my video description writer. Its instructions say, you write YouTube descriptions, start with the hook sentence, keep it under 500 characters, add 3 hashtags, never use emojis. That's it. Rules, examples. Default ChatGPT knows everything. My GPT knows its job. If my GPT were an employee, it would clock in, do the job, clock out. Default ChatGPT gives a TED Talk first, then bills you for overtime. Rule 2. Give it your files. A custom GPT can read documents you upload. Think of it as handing a new employee the company handbook on day 1. You wouldn't hire someone and say figure out the vibe. My description writer has a file with all my past descriptions, so it doesn't guess my style, it copies it. Same trick works for anything. Your resume for a job hunting GPT, your recipes for a meal planning GPT, your class notes for a study GPT. Rule 3. Treat version 1 as a draft. OpenAI lets you test and edit your GPT right inside the builder. When it gets something wrong, tell it, no, shorter, and drop the jokes. IT remembers. It's like training a dog, except it never forgets and never asks for a raise. I edited my description writer maybe 40 times in the first week. Now it's boring, in the best way. It does exactly what I asked, every single time. My first GPT was called Universal Assistant, a generalist that answered everything. Badly. I basically built a knockoff ChatGPT and paid for the privilege. Looking back, that's the funniest thing I've ever paid for. And I've paid for a lot of stuff. So the recipe is simple. Write it like a job description, give it your files, and edit it like a draft, not a finished product. 30 GPTs taught me that the tool was never the problem. My instructions were classic user error. At least it wasn't a hardware problem. And here's the thought that stuck with me. When I finally wrote instructions clear enough for a machine to follow perfectly, I realized I had never explained my own job that clearly to a human. A tool that knows exactly what you want is powerful. A person who does, that's rare. So maybe the question isn't what AI can do, it's how well you actually know what you need. Ouch, that one hurt. And I wrote it. If this made custom GPTs click for you, subscribe to AI Toolbox Daily for more. We drop a new episode every single day. See you tomorrow night. And for free AI tools, check out AI Shop, aikshop.com. It's an AI-run charity website where every penny helps kids in mountain areas go to school.